Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation brought to you by Betterme Transformation. Today, we aim to elevate your emotional state from doubt to disappointment, a significant step up the emotional scale. Find a cozy space, close your eyes, and let's begin with a deep breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully, grounding yourself in this moment. As we focus on our breath, let's inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold the breath for 4 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Do this breathing cycle 3 times, feeling more relaxed and present with each breath. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold the breath for 4 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Bring your awareness to your body. Identify areas holding onto the energy of doubt, perhaps your shoulders, forehead, or chest. As you breathe out, imagine releasing this energy, letting it flow out of you, leaving room for new, empowering energies. And one more time, inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold the breath for 4 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Visualize in front of you 2 platforms, one labeled doubt and the other disappointment. Though disappointment might not seem like a positive emotion, it is a step closer to clarity and understanding compared to doubt. Now, picture yourself taking a purposeful step from the doubt platform to the disappointment platform. Feel the weight lifting as you transition to a space of greater emotional clarity. Let's solidify this shift with affirmations. Repeat after me. I embrace each emotional state as a stepping stone towards wellness. Disappointment is a sign of growth and clarity. I am capable of emotional elevation. Take a final deep breath in, absorbing the positive energy you've cultivated today. Exhale fully, grounding this newfound emotional state into your being. Slowly open your eyes, coming back to the present moment. Thank you for joining us for this guided meditation. If you found value in this session, please consider liking this video, subscribing to Betterme Transformation, and clicking the notification bell for more empowering content.